Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we analyze the cryptocurrencies for the day, and this time we're looking at Vechain, VETUSDT. So let's see if there's anything interesting going on in this coin today. It seems quickly for a quick assessment on the charts here, you can see that it's undergoing a quick retracement right now. I mean, we don't need any charts or indicators to tell us that, right? So let's see if as a trader, do we have any opportunities to make some quick money, right? So as usual, we'll start with the long-term chart on a daily chart. Oops, wrong line. Okay, so let's draw. As you can see, there's quite a clear higher lows happening right now, and let's see where is it taking us, right? So this is not very particularly useful. Let's see. Let's push it up a little bit. Yeah, this looks kind of more like it. Yep. Higher lows indicates a steady recovery, but don't be fooled. Like, if you're gonna compare it against the other coins in the exchange itself, we can clearly see there's a ranging pattern going on. Ever since the great decline here, is the great correction here. It's kind of expected. Whenever the market undergoes a great correction, or even a great bullish spike, it tends to range a little bit. Look, even before the correction, as there was a strong bullish run up here, it started ranging a little bit. Even when it hit it down, it started ranging a little bit before the correction came in. I guess not every momentum's not meant to be like sustained for too long, right? So what about the shorter time frame? Let's see if there's anything interesting that we can see. Okay, so clearly there is a new channel forming, at least on a shorter time frame. This is the hourly chart. Here you can see there's this new channel. It kind of broke through the channel a little bit. So who knows whether will it be permanent? We'll see. Hopefully not. But yes, there's this interesting. It broke out at an interesting point, right? Let's see if. Yeah, why do I think it's interesting? Because you see, if you look at where the price is right now, which is here-ish, you can see, right? Just want to bring your attention to this point. You can see there are two rejections here, two price rejections here, and of course a ranging, let's call it a ranging, and of course a rejection here before it broke through. So right now it's in this critical zone. I would call it pretty critical. Yeah, this is an interesting zone right now. So it's going up, fluctuating up and down right now. Hopefully it builds up and doesn't go down too much further. All right. Now, what else can we see from this analysis? As a short-term trader, intraday, maybe if you're gonna hold it for a couple days, this might be an interesting time to enter. Why do I say so? Look, if you were to enter, here's what I would recommend, right? Enter here, take profit, stop loss. It's a beautiful setup. It's pretty safe, I would say. 2.2% risk with a 8% return. Exactly 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. So let's see, to be exact, let's enter at 0.11, sorry, enter at 0.106. I would say the market, okay, so the market, right, typically loves nice round numbers. So you can enter at 0.1062 or 0.106, right? And of course you can take profit at a nice round number as well, 0.115. And maybe stop loss at 0.10, this is 1039, but I would definitely recommend 4. Like that. Alright, this could be your intraday position or a short-term hold position, 115. Something like that. I think this is a nice position to take. Yeah, so for short-term traders, pretty safe. 2% for a quick 8%. I'll take it. Now, what about longer-term traders? Let's jump on to the 4-hour chart. Oh, wait, I just saw something interesting on a 5-minute chart. So you can see, as I was just talking, there's a recovery going on. Hopefully it will break through this pivot point and then break through this trend line for us to see a strong sustained recovery over here. Yeah. Okay, moving on. 4-hour chart. Market's been okay, so same trend line, fair enough. Okay, so you can see there's also a trend line happening here ever since the great crash over here. So you can see it's pretty accurate. Like, you can set the take profit line to, if you want to be a bit more conservative, you can set it as such, right at the trend line, or even slightly before. Take profit and then observe the market all over again, just to be safe. I think that's fair. That's a fair shout. Other than that, 4-hour looking pretty similar to 1 hour. If you're gonna hold this for a couple days, if you're if you're such a long-term trader, that long a trader, I guess, let me see. You could take a position like as such. So enter at the current price. Now take note of this zone. So now how do we decide where the stop loss is? Take the most recent price rejection here, right? So reject ish here. So you can set a stop loss here, around here, 7%. But definitely set your take profit higher, nearest, definitely not all-time high, but near the nearest high point. Yeah, this is 19 May. Yeah, this is the great crash. So the nearest high point, hold it for a couple days. We're looking at, let's see, we're looking at almost a month of holding, probably. Yeah, probably a month. If you don't mind, that's okay, because we're looking at a nice 36%. Pretty decent returns, no doubt. So, long-term, short-term, pretty much got it covered. Now, look at this 5-minute time chart. Oh wow, strong recovery. Can you see that? Strong recovery. It broke through all. It broke through the pivot point. It broke through the trend line. It broke through the moving average, the 15-day moving average. It's looking to break through the 30-day moving average. Did I speak too soon? Oh well, we'll see, eh? Time will tell. But it's challenging the 30-day moving average right now. Strong indications of a recovery. And let's, just for the heck of it, right, let's check out the 1 minute chart. So, interestingly, 1 minute chart broke through the 100-day moving average. Almost at the 200-day moving average. Okay, that's something interesting. Strong rejection. So, you can see there's a strong price rejection here. And then the bears tried to push the price down, but still a strong engulfing. Okay. So you can see tweezer, strong, bearish, hit straight down, undecided, start to lose the momentum, and engulfing. Onwards and upwards. Looks challenging the 200-day moving average now. So if it goes straight back to the 5-minute chart. What interesting times, isn't it? What interesting times. Okay, so that about wraps up, I think, my analysis for Vechain, VETUSDT. Hopefully you found it useful, and please trade safely. Every trade carries risk, so manage your risk well. Always set stop loss. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you again soon.